Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Croccat token. Now this is a hilarious meme with a cat wearing a croc as a hat, and now it is a meme token, and this token it was just announced today that this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting today, January 22nd. We're going to go over the information on the Croccat meme coin and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box, and let's get into this token here. So this token has a Telegram, first of all, that you could follow at Croccat69. And that is their Telegram with 852 subscribers on there. So that's a great place to learn more information about this project. Now, it is a meme token. It does have like some funny meme utility to it. We'll get to that in a second, but there's not a lot of utility to this token. This is very much just a meme token with a cat with a croc on its head. And if you go to their webpage, it says that a lot. It says, get your Croccat. It says the cat with a croc on his head, and that is basically all the info on their page. But there's other info that we're going to go over here in a second. So yeah, you can join their socials. Their socials are probably going to have more information than their actual webpage. Now their Twitter here is at Croccat69 as well on Twitter. And you can find over there, I'm going to put that right on the screen right up here so you guys can easily find this project here. They have 1,988 followers, so they're almost at 2,000 followers, and they just joined Twitter in January 2024. So this is a very brand new project, starting to take off a bit. 133 tweets on there. Has a link to their webpage and their Telegram on there. Their webpage is croccatsolana.com. And they have the contract address right in their pinned tweet if you're looking for the contract address. And then right underneath that, they have a new retweet or a repost from Poloniex. Now, Poloniex is a cryptocurrency central exchange, and it just announced today that there will be full trading for the Croccat token starting today, January 22nd at 13 hours, or it says 12 hours, and then full trading enabled at 13 hours UTC time on Poloniex. So if you're looking to get this token, it is available starting today on Poloniex. You can get it by downloading Poloniex from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Croccat, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. Now, as I mentioned, it is on the Solana blockchain. There is a total supply of 1 billion tokens. And their Twitter here has the contract address. Now, you can get this token off a decentralized exchange as well. If you want to get this token off of, say, Raydium, you can get it by funding your Trust wallet, or your MetaMask wallet, or Coin98 or Coinbase wallet, whatever decentralized wallet you want to use that holds Solana. You could use that. Fund it with Sol. Go into the dApps, find Raydium, and then trade your Sol for the Croccat token using the contract address that you could find in their pinned tweet here, or you can find it on their webpage, croccatsolana.com. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes. I haven't checked if there's taxes yet. It doesn't say on their webpage, but if you did have to set slippage, let people know what it was in the comment section down there to help others out. Now, if you scroll through their tweets, let me tell you, there is so many pictures of different cats with different Crocs on their head. It is amazing. This is, I mean, I could just scroll through this all day looking at these 133. There's even a guy with a Croc on his head. Now, there's pictures of actual cats with actual Crocs on their head, or there's some pretty funny ones here. Or you can go to their webpage, and this is their one utility here that I could find so far. So right at the very top left-hand corner of their webpage, there is a button that says Crocify. Now, if you click on that, it'll take you over to a page where you can upload a video and, upload a picture, so a JPEG, to the screen, and then you click Add Croc, and then it'll add a Croc to the head of that picture, and then you can save the image. And then if you want to fix it, you can click Reset Image and try again. But basically, it's a fun little thing that you could do. But you can make a cool picture of either a cat or you without actually having to put a Croc on a cat's head, because obviously a cat might not like that. So this is a fun way to just make a goofy picture, you know, artificially, instead of actually using a real Croc. And then you could take this picture and then you could share it on your social medias, like your Twitter, your Facebook, your Telegram, whatever. You could share it on social medias, and then, you know, if you want to promote the token yourself, that's a great way to do it. And you'd be like, hey, this is the new cat Croc token, and here's a cool picture I made on their webpage or whatever, right? So on their webpage, they do have a link to Raydium. They also have a link to their Twitter, Telegram, and they also have the contract address and then a link to Birdeye. So if you go over to birdeye.so, it's going to show you the chart. So that's a great way to see how the token is doing. Now, actually, it's down 17% in the past 24 hours, so it's not doing great right now, but they do have a lot of holders, almost 4,000 holders so far. Right now, they're at 3,953 holders. They have 999,886,883.5 tokens. Fully diluted market cap is $2,266,670. And yeah, so they have more information on here. They have community votes, so they got a 93% community vote out of, it looks like, 57 votes. They show you the top 10 holders own 18% of the tokens. Total value locked is $156,000. And yeah, so it's on Orca. It looks like here, or no, it says Raydium for sure. But then there's some security audits. It says no mintable tokens. There is one warning though. It says mutable, and there's an X on there, so just be aware of that. And yeah, thoroughly do your own research on all these tokens before even thinking about getting them, of course. I don't see any full audits yet, or KYC, so just be aware of that. You never know, so do your own research. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about the Croccat token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.